Hey there! Tired of getting random players in Call of Duty and want to keep your party just for your crew? Lucky for you, I've got just the trick. Today, I'll walk you through how to make your party private in Call of Duty Warzone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, fire up the Call of Duty HQ, then spot the settings icon and give it a click. After that, tap on Account and Network. Now scroll down and find the Privacy section. Next up, click on Show More. You'll see a bunch of options pop up. Now, locate Party Privacy and choose the options that suits you best. You've got a few choices here. Friends and Channels, only players connected through your friends or channels can join your party. Open, everyone can see and join your party. Invite only, anyone can see your party, but they'll need an invitation to join. Friends only, only your pals can enjoy your party without an invite, but others can still join if you send them an invite. Close, make the party super private, so nobody can join without an invitation. Once you've made your selection, simply close out of the settings and your changes will be saved. And there you have it. Your party privacy settings are all set in Call of Duty Warzone. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.